Hello everyone, this is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon sharing the May Kit Club project. This is called Pet Paradise and it's a pet bed. How super cute! The paper line I'm using in this Kit Club is the Bo Bunny Happy Tales collection. So appropriate for this project, guys. I brought you something different for a pet project. I've always wanted to make a pet project, but I just didn't think of the right thing. I didn't want to do a doghouse or things along that nature. I wanted to do something that again you could put out there on display and it can function for you as well in your home decor. So not only a memory keeper, but a really great container, if you will. So it comes complete with the pet toys right here. Every dog has a plushie and a squeaky. This does not squeak, but it's just made to resemble the squeaky toy. So just super cute with the pet toys here, just nestled right there in the pet bed. Just adorable. And this area here, the bed area here, also serves as you can hold your phone there, you can hold your keys, the remote control, depending on where you station this in the house. That's how it will serve you. All right, guys. So I just think it's super duper perfect for that. And then for the mini album, well, before I show you the mini album, let me show you the outside. So here's that beautiful Bo Bunny paper. It's just really, really pretty paper. This is the sticker from the Bo Bunny collection as well. We've got a little ribbon pull here to reveal the mini album that's inside. And this mini album is so perfect. And I'm going to tell you why it's perfect. If you choose not to make the mini album and you just want to make the pet bed, this can also serve as another storage area. It's really, really a nice size in here, guys. Here is my phone and I have the very large Samsung Note phone and it fits in there, and look at all that space you still have. So again, a nice area for remote controls, keys, whatever you choose to do with this, it would also serve you that way. So let's talk about this mini album here. I'm calling it the perfect mini album for several reasons. First, on the cover, again, the Bo Bunny collection, the two closures here, every one you will get in your kit. All right, and both the strappings, okay? You get the black and the white with the yellow and the red closure and the little charms that you see right here. So these open up, but I still have plenty of room in there for picks. So I'm just going to slide those off. So again, the perfect mini album because it is the perfect size. I designed this album specifically for 4x6 photographs in both the portrait and the landscape style. So you don't have any limitations here for just portrait photographs. You get them both. And the album is simply for photographs. Right here, guys, this is a 4x6 photo mat right here. Okay, 4x6 and no cropping. So all you have to do is take that picture and slap it on there and it's just perfect. Again, 4x6 on this card right here. So for your landscape photographs, it'll work out perfectly. You can get 3 on these if you choose to have them in the landscape orientation, or you can still go with the portrait style, excuse me. It all depends on the look and the orientation of your photographs. These slip right in here. And what it does is it gives you some interaction. It creates the interest that you want in these handmade projects and these handmade albums. So you've got your pocket for additional photographs or journaling. As you can see, this large number 8 tag, which is I think it's 6 1/4 inches tall, fits in there perfectly. All right, so it's just the perfect size. So I'm going to flip through here and you're going to see it's exactly the same throughout. You get the 6 mat and a halves with the portrait areas here, and it just will continue all the way exactly the same. How adorable is this paper? It's just super cute. This paper has both dog and cat images, so you can use it either way. All right, it works out perfectly for both pets. So super cute, guys. So there is the perfect mini album for 4x6 photographs, and you get this album when you pick up the pet bed tutorial right here. This tutorial is for sale in my shop right now. Kit Club members, this is in your project folder already, so you guys are good to go. All right, so have fun with this one. And if you make this project, I love to see it. You want to post your finished projects to my Facebook fan page, and I will link you guys down below. There's a ton of inspiration there, not just my finished projects, but all Paper Phenomenon projects finished by you guys with different papers, so it'll give you some inspiration if you were thinking about a specific project and going in a different direction than in the direction that I took. You get a ton of variety on there and so much inspiration for Paper Phenomenon projects, so you want to check it out. So guys, Pet Paradise, super duper cute on this project, and I can't wait to see what you all make with it. Kit Club members, this beauty is on its way to you, so check out the videos on the Kit Club blog and look for your tutorial. It's in the project folder. It's all there for you. If you did not get to join the Kit Club this time around and you want to make this project, you have two options. You can either just purchase the tutorial alone, or you can purchase the Digital Kit Club. The Digital Kit Club will give you access to 6 tutorials, which is the 3 tutorials for the Kit Club projects, then the 3 tutorials for the bonus projects, along with all of the videos for all 6 projects. Okay, that is the Digital Kit Club. So you don't get a kit, but you get access to the member site for all 3 projects in this particular quarter. Okay, and in this particular quarter, Pet Paradise is one of them with the perfect mini album. All right, this is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.